everyone, welcome back to Sign Live Show, and thank you so much guys for tuning in. Well guys, I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Amalanga Awafani from the 24th to the 28th of November 2025 on Monday. Thembi and Dule's sudden encounter reopen old wounds and forces them to address their feelings. Sabelo's double life is edges closer to exposure. Anele finds that the bullying isn't just online anymore on Tuesday. Thembi, now armed with bodyguards, confront her betrayers. Sabelo is caught between mother and daughter whilst Star cements a plan for her future. Anele deals with online bullying and body shaming on Wednesday. Tsunami tried to blackmail Tobile, but he's got a true opponent in her. Thembi struggles with pick up the pieces of her career while Gumede stands up to the Royal Council on Thursday. Thembi gets an indecent proposal. Sabelo's love triangle spiral out of control, but a more present danger threatening his life. Star rekindles her hope for her culinary career while Anele continues to starve herself on Friday. A devastating crash leaves Sabelo clinging to life and desperate for a miracle. Xoli's slip of tongue threatened to expose her affair with Tsunami. Thembi shocks everyone with her response to the crisis. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.